How to change a Sephora store location. Hey everybody, if you guys would like to change a Sephora store location, you may follow up the steps. So what you may do is you may look out for your option, your profile option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, once you are in your browser, you may scroll down from the given options and you should be finding option called account settings. You may tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be taken towards your account settings. So you can basically change your Sephora store location from the section. Wait for your account information to load up first. And when you scroll down, you should be finding option of your addresses. So look out for saved address option. And once you tap on it under account information, you will be finding the address that has been saved. You can basically find an option called change, or you can add up a new address. Tap on that option and just go ahead and provide in the details like your country, your street address, your zip and postal code, your door buzzer, building code, apartment number, etc. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and confirm your changes. And once you do so, your Sephora store location should be changed on Sephora. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd like to change your Sephora store location as well, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.